Assalamualaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are doing fine. Today I'm going to talk about our road. You know that why I choose to talk with you in the roadside because sometimes I feel lack of confidence to talk about lots of people in front of lots of people. That's why I came here and talk with you about roads. I see lots of vehicles there. Most of the vehicles are rickshaw. Sometimes I saw some people are break their rules and go the opposite side of the road, and it is very bad for us. We are the people in our world. They always want to break the rules. They don't want to do, they don't want to obey the rules. The most dangerous things in our country, and our government don't focus on this. I don't know why. Because they don't have work on the people population. They only work for or they work for their goods, not the people's goods. That's why if I talk about the road, it is a very good thing for road. Road is the very good for communication all over the world, because without road we cannot communication it. I cannot trade each other here. That is a very good thing for us, that we have the lots of roads available for communication, and most of the country is the same thing that we can improve here by making lots of roads, and it's a very good thing for everyone, because we can make trade. It is very easy to go some other place, and I also love to go to that for that improvement. But it's only for short time. You know that in Bangladesh, Bangladesh is the high top of the chain country who spent money on the road. But our road is not that much good. We have to repair after 1 year, 2 years. But if you talk about another country, after 10 years they don't need to make the road. That if I make that one time, it will be good for them. But we have lots of problems in Bangladesh, and we are in Bangladesh. If I talk about problem, it doesn't matter, and because we are growing in the problem. That's why it doesn't matter for us. And I saw that in the Western country their road is too much beautiful, and in our district headquarters, road is not that much good to looks. We have road, but beside the road we don't have that much plant, and to looks good the road. But you can see in Dhaka, you can see lots of people, lots of roads that too much clean, and that's a very good thing. I love it that, and they also have some cleaner. They clean the road, and I love it because something did government for us. That's that thing. If our environment will be good, it's good for our health. You know that I noticed that, or I have noticed that one thing, that most of the car they're making noise, but they don't have any problem in that road. But they also they're making noise. That is a very bad thing for our health. It make this sound pollution. They don't know about that. Bangladeshi people are too much unaware about their health. That's why they did that things. They have done that thing. If they know about things, I think they didn't do that. They haven't want to destroy his life. They don't want to go hospital. They want to carry about that. And I think that government should expend money to awareness about people, by making sound or problem with us. Why we always sick? Why we all worry about that thing? Is very bad for. So government should spend money for that thing. And in Bangladesh, and another problem in here is lots of people are unemployed. You don't know about that. In Bangladesh, maybe it will be a 4 lakh. 40 after 4 lakh. It will be more than 4 lakh people are employed. They finish their graduation, and this is very unfortunate for Bangladesh. And we are the huge youth we are employed, and we don't do anything. We are only using phone. We don't have any proper resource we can use that, and of it's their thing. Government should do something for us in that way, because we need something. We want to do good. Our country is better, but government doesn't work for that. We are only doing our business. For that reason, most of the young people involved in a bad company, bad situation. It's very bad for us. And this is all about. Today I want to talk about for that, to harass in talk about the road, because sometimes I'm incapable to speak English, but when I saw lots of people look at me, and lots of people, especially girls, pass by me, that time I feel uncomfortable. I can't share my voice. I forget everything. That's why it's my experiment to make video here, to make me switchable in the world. I have to make video in my future, or in the roadside. I have to make video everywhere. Okay, that's all. Now I'm facing that road that is too much polluted, so I have to use mask.